Today I'm going to show you how to create all types of long-form content such as blog posts, articles from multiple sources using FirstDraft Pro. From the dashboard, click on Writing Assistant and click on FirstDraft Pro. You'll scroll down and you'll see that we've significantly changed our knowledge source section. Now you have the option to create articles or blog posts from real-time research. And this is where the AI does a deep search and find all up-to-date information to create your blog post. Here is a new feature we have where you can upload documents, and I'll demo that for you in a second. We have upload audio files, which is coming soon. Here we have where you can provide multiple URLs. I can add up to 5 URLs. So let me give you an example. So I'll go ahead and add a few URLs here. I'll add one, and then I'll add a second one here, and then done. And now I can proceed into doing titles and all the other stuff. And also you can create content from a YouTube video. For example, if I have a YouTube video that I want to use as my source to create an article from, I can add the URL here. I'll go ahead and add this URL here, and then I can proceed in creating my title, audience, and then I'll click on generate outline, and the AI will take all the information from that YouTube video, extract all the important information to create my outline, and use that video to create an article as well. And going back to upload documents, so we won't be creating a article from a video in this video, but I will create one from another video in the future. Now I'm going to go ahead and create an article from uploaded PDF documents. I'm going to go to my document manager and find some PDFs to load. I'll go ahead and upload all these PDFs here. Upload this PDF. Now that I've uploaded all the documents, I'm going to go ahead and create my title. First, I need to enter the keyword that I want to write an article for. Since all these documents are about AI models, open source models, and things like that, my primary keyword or topic is going to be open source models. So I'll add that here. And then I'll go ahead and generate my title. All right. So now I created my title. I'll make my target audience bloggers, and I'm going to go ahead and generate my outline. This is going to take a few minutes, so I'll be right back. All right, so now my outline is complete. The AI went through and created an outline from it. So I'm going to go here and trim this outline and remove anything that I don't need to keep this video short. Now that I trimmed my outline to focus on the sections that I want, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I'll select the content enhancement that I want. I'll select visual elements, and I'll set my image dimensions. I want a couple of posts. We'll go ahead and generate our first draft. Once it's complete, I'll show you the output. All right, now our article is complete. I'm going to go ahead and preview it here. And you can see the table of content, key takeaways, our documents being sourced. You can see the links to the documents here that we use. The document information that applied to the article is being sourced. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. If you need any help, just click on the help button here, and I will be there to help you. Thanks for using Bramework.